I'm Dr. Rekha Jaswal. In continuation of topics of biostatistics like mean, we start with a video lecture for median. The second topic of measure of central tendency is median. Median is a centrally located value of series such that half of the values of the series are above it and the other half below it. Median is the also central value of the variable that divide the series into two equal parts in such a way that half of the items lie above the value and the remaining half lie below this value. Median is defined as the value of the middle item or the mean of the values of the two middle items when the data are in the ascending or descending order of magnitude. Methods of calculating. How can we calculate the median in different series? So we know that there are three types of statistical series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. For individual series, the median of individual data set is dependent on whether the number of elements in the data set is odd or even. First, reorder the data set from the smallest to the largest mark of high and low values until you reach the middle. If there are two middles and then the n divided by 2 for odd series, formula for median is equal to size of n plus 1 upon 2th item, and for even series m equal to average of nth plus n plus 1th item. For example, this is the data, odd number of observation, so we n equal to 7 plus 1 upon 2, that will be 3 in a third term. So when we arrange n plus 7 plus in fourth term, so we arrange in ascending order, then we find fourth term is 5. For even number of elements, there is a n equal to 6, then third plus fourth term average. So third and fourth, after arranging the series, we get the third and fourth and 4 and 5, 4 plus 5, 9, and its average is 4.5. That means 4.5 is the median of this series. Median of continuous series, how can we find? In case of group series, the median is calculated with the following formula: L plus n by 2 minus PCF upon ye whole upon n by 2 minus PCF के whole upon f into I. L is the lower limit of median class. PCF, that means previous cumulative frequency of median class. F is the frequency of median class. I is the size of median class. N is the total number of observation. For example, this is the given example. Here is the data marks, number of students. Then you will find first a column, make cumulative frequency less than cumulative frequency. First it is as it is, and next 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 50 110, and plus 40 150, and plus 30 it is 180, and total number of observation will be also 180. So second step, what will we do? We do size of n by 2 item. In continuous series, we find the size of n by 2 item, and that is n equal to 180. That means 19th item. We look in the CF, cumulative frequency, what is the greater than or equal to the 19th item, that will be 110. Then we see class corresponding to the 110, that will be 350 to 30 to 40. 30 to 50 is the median class. This is the calculation of for the median. This is median class. So this 30 will be lower limit. F is the corresponding frequency. 60 is the preceding cumulative frequency, and n equal to 1 upon 80. So n by 2 equal to 90. And we put all the here I equal to 10. Class interval difference, width of class interval will be 10. So we put all the values in this formula, we get the median equal to 36. Calculation of median of discrete series. Discrete series, that means the observation will be in a exact form, and in continuous series that will be in a range form. So for this series, we find the first we make a column for cumulative frequency like 10 as it is, 10 plus 20 30 30 plus 30. So we find first second step, we do n plus 1 items, that will be 1 up n plus 1th item, 181 item, 19.5, and corresponding to this cumulative frequency corresponding to 90.5, the observation will be 110. So median equal to size of item corresponding to 110 equal to 35. Merits of median: simplicity, free from the effect of extreme values, if there are extreme values, then this extreme value doesn't affect on the median. Median will be the uncertainty, real value, graphic representation, possible even when data is incomplete. Lack of representative demerits of median, lack of representative character, unrealistic, lack of algebraic treatment. Thank you.